Hello guys, my name is Salma. In this video, I will show you how to install filler and light strip at side panel. So you guys can go to customize, use any function from here. Let's say I'm using storage. You can drag out any cabinet. Okay, and then you can right click on the cabinet. Go to filler. Okay, so this is new button. You can install filler at the top, left, right, okay, and then at the bottom side. So let's say we install at the top. Okay, so this is the filler. Okay, and then try install another filler. Okay, go to filler. Let's say we installed at the left side. Okay, so this is the filler. If you want to adjust it, you go to the filler editing here. You can adjust the position. This one is going to the right. This one is the left, right, but at the back. Okay, you can see this one we install at the back. This one at the side. Okay, left and right side. This one is at the back, left and right side. Okay, you can see the difference. Alright, and then down here, okay, this one is a alignment. Okay, whether if you want to align with the frame, cabinet frame. Okay, and then down here you can extend the filler. Okay, so you can see up and down. Let's say we extend it up 100. Okay, click enter. You can see it will extend the upper part here 100. Okay, so you can right click again. Okay, and then install filler. Okay, now we install light. Okay, you can click light, install. Okay, we have three types: cold light, warm light, and white light. Okay, so you can use any model from here. Okay, any light model. Okay, just double click. Go to the light editing on the right side. Okay, this one. Okay, you can drag it here. Right, you go to side panel lamp. Okay, so it will install to the side panel. Okay, before this we cannot install to the side. We can only install at the top panel. So now you can install to the side. Okay, you can change the direction of the bulb. You can adjust the height. This one you can put the height of the cabinet. Okay, let's say 2001. Okay, and then you can adjust the distance between the light. Okay, and then the bulb position. Okay, front, center, and back. Okay, down here you can adjust the distance and you can add the quantity of light. Okay, alright, so down here is the light adjustment. You can adjust the temperature and the color. Okay, this one you can change the color. Alright, and then last one is the brightness. You can adjust the brightness. Then click generate. You can see there's light at the side. If you want to edit, just right click, go to light, edit. Okay, you can edit it back. Alright, so this is new buttons. Side panel lamp. Alright, okay, so you guys can try out. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.